How to unsuspend your Twitter X account without appeal. So let's get started. So go into your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to go in the Twitter Help Center. Click on this first link of the Contact Us of the Help Center of Twitter. Now from here you have to scroll down and select the option of the locked and suspended account issues. Now once you are in, as you can see that here you are in the appeal a locked or suspended account. Now here you are currently not logged in or logged in into a X account that is not suspended or locked. So you have to log out from your current account and log in that account that is suspended or locked account in order to submit this request. So you just have to log out from this account and log in into your account that is suspended. And if you forget the password of your that account, just have to click on the change your password, and after that you are able to unsuspend your Twitter X account without appeal. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next